Okay, are you gonna raise the main or?
You want me to?
Sure.
Okay.
We're gonna go sailing. Look at the new attire. Lyndon's isn't new, but mine is. I feel really good in it.
Yeah, it's pretty gusty.
How you feeling? It's the fastest we've gone in months. My seat's taking a slide here. You're gonna flip. Oh. Whoa!
Four knots of boat speed though.
What?
Only 4 knots of boat speed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Holy, that's crazy and scary.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah. I just don't like the big rock all of a sudden to the side.
Whoa!
9 knots of wind. I don't know if that's accurate. So it's really gusty out.
Tiff's losing her mind.
I'm not losing my mind. It's just been a long time.
It's like we're brand new sailors.
Oh no! Oh no, it happened! Little dead zone. That was fun while it lasted. A little scary. It's crazy the difference an hour makes out here. No more waves. No more wind. But there still is sunshine. Oopsies.
I'm trying to get some engine issues figured out. We're still getting a lot of fuel in the exhaust, and that's frustrating. But right now I'm just doing setting the valve lash. I don't know, maybe a valve's being hung open or something and it's blowing the fuel by. That's my hope. Yeah, I don't know, the engine has really low hours, so it's frustrating that we're having these issues. But I'll just keep plugging away. Hopefully this fixes everything. Well, I checked all the valves. A couple of them were a little tight, but I think sort of a negligible amount. One of them was a little tiny bit loose. So I don't know if that's part of the issue, but at least I know now that they're good, so I can put it back together and
On to the next thing.
On to the next thing.
So sunny and nice out today. It got up to 14 degrees that we saw. And so we're just spending a lot of time outside, either walking or not either walking. We went for a walk, but now we're doing some boat work. Lyndon figured out why he wasn't able to start the outboard motor. I'll just let him tell you.
Because I was trying to run it on water, not fuel.
I mean, go green, but there's a line you have to draw.
Yeah, it's a little too green. So I had to pull a bunch of stuff apart, clean it out.
It's been an ordeal. So now we got some fuel and water sitting here. And it's just really making this boat smell like
Delicious fuel.
summer.
Summer?
Yeah, it brings back memories for
All the
me.
dirt biking?
No, boating. On the old Starcraft. And I'm scrubbing mold and moss and mildew off of the boat. And I started, these were really full of mold. I just finished scrubbing this one down. I'm just gonna let it dry there because I don't know where else to put it. So this one I'm gonna take off. You can just see it's all gross and dirty, and then there's just a lot of mold on them. So I'm gonna clean those off, give them a bit of a scrub, and it feels kind of like spring, so it's nice to do these projects. This is so sad. I tried to clean it as best I could. A little borax on there. So sad.
Whoa!
Hey, good job. Heyo.
About to go for a ride in the old thingy. Of course it's brand new.
Okay, I'm gonna start it before I undo it. There you go.
So nice out. Ready?
Yep. I've been We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you'd like to support us on this adventure, or just find out more about us, head on over to our Patreon page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a new video posted every Wednesday. Thanks for watching.
Just stuck inside the clouds.